Hello everyone, I welcome you all to Geeky Script. Today I am going to show you how to install Eclipse IDE for Java programming. So first you need to go to favorite browser and to type over here Eclipse download. So that will show you this Eclipse download. Just go to their official site. So this link, this eclipse.org/download link I am going to provide right in our channel description. Once when you are here, you need to scroll down and you will get this download button over here. So you have to click on that and that will give you these two options. I recommend you to proceed with x86_64. So that's going to redirect to this page. Here you will get a download button. So just click on that and thank you for your download and your file will be rightly started downloading. I have already downloaded it, that's why I'm going to cancel this. I'll minimize my browser, I'll go to my download directory and here is our file. So simply double click on that installer to install our Eclipse IDE. So installer is rightly open. You can minimize your download directory. Here is our Eclipse installer. You can see that you can use Eclipse IDE for Java, Java Enterprise or C or C++ or even PHP and all that. As you scroll down you can see more options are there. So in my previous videos I have showed you how to use it for PHP, C or C++ and all that. So you can also refer to that video if you want to know how to use it for C or C++ or PHP and all that. In this particular video I am going to talk about how to use it for Java developers. So I am going to select this Eclipse IDE for Java developers. And here you can see we have this installation folder where it's going to install our Eclipse. But the most important part is to install Java. So it requires Java 21 and above. So when you click on this drop down you can see it has rightly selected GRE 21. You can also download latest version of Java which is 25 at the moment. So I'm going to select that latest Java which is 25 and I'm going to click on install. It's going to show you the license agreement, you must accept it and it's going to immediately start installing our Eclipse. So it's going to parallelly also install Java, latest version of Java, of course Java 25. So you need to have active internet connection during this installation. So welcome back, and now you can clearly see that our Eclipse IDE for Java developers is now rightly installed. We have this launch button, so just click on that launch button to launch our latest version of Eclipse IDE version 2025-12. And you can see that it is rightly open. Here you need to select your directory as workspace. So by default it will be C users, then your username and Eclipse-workspace. So I'll recommend you to keep it default, but if you want to change you can click on browser and you can do that. For now just simply click on launch. That's going to launch our Eclipse IDE. So it's going to launch our Eclipse IDE and also going to redirect to your browser of this Eclipse Foundation page. Here you can donate some amount if you want because they have really developed a very good product. Here I am going to maximize it and I am going to show you how to create a Java project and how to execute your Java project. So for that go to file and hover over new and click on Java project. Let's give the project name as Hello World. We are going to use latest version of Java GRE 25. In the module part I am going to uncheck this and going to click on finish. So our project is rightly created. You can close this welcome note and here you can see we have this Hello World project that we created. You can expand this, you will get a src folder. So right click and hover over new and create a class. So let's give the class name also as Hello World and it will be a public static main method. So select that and click on finish. So our hello world.java file is also created and here is our template. Here you need to print something. So system.out.println hello world. So just end with a semicolon and click on this run button. So save and launch, click on OK. The file is rightly saved and it is rightly shown you the output on your console hello world. So that's how you install latest version of Eclipse IDE and you can start working on your Java project right on Eclipse IDE. If you are interested on Python, I highly recommend you to follow this cool Python project playlist. So all these videos are completely free and detailed source code are also available on our official geekyscript.com website with detailed explanation as well. And if you are interested on WordPress, so for that also we have this playlist. So please do check out all these different videos. I am sure you are going to love them. So that's basically all about this video. Thank you very much for watching this video and God bless you all.